Place the arranging board on the capsule cap board. Pour the capsule caps on the boards. Shake the boards gently to let the caps fall into the holes. Place the arranging board on the capsule body board. Pour the capsule bodies on the boards. Shake the boards gently to let the bodies fall into the holes. Pour your powder, vitamin, herbal, mineral ECT, on the body board. Scrape the powder evenly with the powder scraper. Place the middle board on the cap board. Place the intergated boards on the body board. Press down firmly for several times. Remember to press evenly on the boards. Remove the cap board and the capsules are locked. Remove the middle boad and press the capsules out from the body board.